Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. My name is Acacia. What's your name?
My name is Sagor
Hi,
from
nice to meet
Bangladesh. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, that's awesome. Very nice. Oh, I'm so sorry. My dog.
Okay, okay.
Sus, go! 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 Hi, jeez. Okay. So, how are you today?
I'm good.
That's great. Okay. What do you do for work?
I am a graphics designer. I am a freelance graphics designer working in online, and I started a YouTube channel.
Oh, amazing.
Can I ask you a question?
Of course.
Can I use this conversation video in my YouTube?
And you're what?
In my YouTube channel?
Oh, yeah, I don't mind.
Okay.
Okay.
Generally, I upload my Cambly conversation videos on my YouTube, but in future, I will take interviews from my friends from all over the world, and I will upload on my YouTube.
Oh, okay. This is awesome. So,
Okay.
can I
Is it?
ask you
Yeah. Yeah.
why do you want to learn English?
Mm, because I want to speak with mm, people from all over the world. English is popular language for communicate with people. That's why I chose English.
Ah, okay. Very nice, very nice. Okay. That sounds awesome. Um, so you're gonna upload this to where again? Sorry.
Sorry,
Where did you say you were gonna upload this to, like, you said YouTube?
on YouTube. Yeah, YouTube channel.
Oh, okay, okay. Cool. So what would you like to talk about?
Anything you can choose. Yeah,
Um,
you can ask me.
ask you anything? Okay. Um, what do you like to do? Do you like reading? Do you like movies?
I don't like reading. It is boring for me.
Okay.
I like movie. I love to I love to watch
What kind of movies do you like to watch?
action movie. Sometimes action. Before a few days ago, I forget the name of that movie. That was very exciting for me. It was an adventure movie. I like.
Oh, an adventure movie. Oh, that sounds awesome. Do you hmm, let's see. What else do you like to do? Do you like playing sports?
Sorry.
Do you like sports?
Yeah, I like sports. I
Ooh,
like soccer, and I like soccer and cricket. You know cricket.
yes, I know
It's
cricket.
very popular here. It's popular here in Bangladesh, and it is in very popular in South Asia, England also.
Wow. So you play cricket like with your friends and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. Amazing. I don't play
So
sports
what
very often.
what do you like to do?
I like reading and I like playing video games and watching movies.
Yeah, that's cool. So you are a girl. So don't you like to go shopping?
No, I do not like shopping.
That's cool.
I I really don't like shopping at all.
Oh, okay. Mm, I think all mm, before I had a imagination or thinking. I thought all of the girls are like to do shopping.
Oh no. Some do not like shopping at all. I'm
Some
one of
people.
them. I'll like go into a store and be in and out in like 5 minutes. Oh, I found what I
Oh,
want. Okay, I'm done. Bye. That's it.
okay, okay.
Yeah. Do you like shopping?
Sometimes I like.
Yeah, I think the shopping that I like is for food.
Yeah, yeah. You love eating,
Yes, I love cooking. So
cooking.
I do a lot of food shopping so I can cook.
Okay, that's good. Do you love to sleep?
Sleep?
Do you sleep a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah, I also love that.
Yeah. I think sleep is very nice. It's it's very good.
I also love to spend time with my mobile phone.
Mhm. Same here.
You also,
Yeah.
right? I think everyone love to do that.
Mhm. They do. They love playing on their phones. I'm usually on my phone and I read books and play games on there too.
Okay. Did you ever visit out of your country?
Now, I haven't been able to.
Okay. Are you living in New York City,
No, actually, I'm living in Georgia.
Georgia?
Mm,
It's far from New York City.
it is.
Yeah. Did you ever visit New York?
Yes, I have.
Yeah.
It was very
Yeah.
nice.
It's very nice city. Yeah. I saw lots of videos on YouTube.
Mhm.
I think in New York City it's more beautiful at night time, right?
Yeah, it is. But it kind of looks like it's the daytime. So, um, at night they have just so many lights. It looks like it's the daytime, and you're like, I don't even know it's nighttime until you like look up and you're like, oh,
Yeah. It's daytime there in your country right now.
yes, it is.
I can see your window.
Yeah.
But here is night time.
Oh,
It
what
is
time is it?
it is 11 p.m.
Oh my goodness, that's very late.
Uh, how do you sleep? Usually, how do you go to sleep?
How
In
long?
which time?
Maybe 7 hours. But
No, I mean, in which time you go to sleep? At
oh,
10 or 8,
11.
11. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Normally, I go to sleep at 1 a.m. Sometimes 2 a.m.
Wow.
I go to sleep late night and I wake up very late.
Yep. That's the same with some of my family. They just stay up and then they go to sleep and then wake up late. Yeah.
Are you living with your family?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay. You have a big family?
Yes.
Good.
Yeah. I have three brothers and two sisters, and I'm the oldest. So,
Three brothers?
mhm.
Okay. I also oldest
Hmm?
in my family.
You are?
I also oldest. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
We have three brothers.
Wow. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Oh, our time's almost up. I hope to see you
Okay,
again.
bye.